Welcome to the quantum field, where infinite possibilities exist in this very moment. You are standing at the center of pure creative potential, connected to a vast ocean of energy that responds to your every thought, feeling, and intention. Right now, you are awakening to a profound truth. You are not separate from this field. You are the consciousness that collapses infinite possibilities into your lived reality. The quantum field is an ocean of pure potential. It holds every version of your life, every dream you've ever had, and every desire waiting to be born. Nothing is missing here. Nothing needs to be created. In this field, all possibilities exist simultaneously. Your dream relationship, perfect health, abundant wealth. They already exist as waves of probability, waiting for your consciousness to observe them into being. The field doesn't judge your worthiness. It simply responds to the frequency you're broadcasting. High vibration thoughts create harmony and flow. Low vibration thoughts create resistance and chaos. This field is your mirror. Whatever energy you put out, it reflects to you with perfect precision. This is the law of attraction at the quantum level. Your intention is the key that unlocks specific possibilities. When you get crystal clear about what you desire, your intention becomes a focused beam of light, cutting through the quantum noise, programming the field with exact coordinates. But clarity alone isn't enough. You must charge your intention with emotion. Feel it deeply. Let your heart overflow with the joy of already having it. Desire plus feeling equals magnetic power. And then, let go. Release your grip. Trust the intelligence of the universe to orchestrate the how and the when. Open your hands to receive, rather than clenching your fists in desperation. Everything is vibration, your thoughts, your emotions, your very cells, all radiating frequency. And here's the secret: you must match the frequency of your desire. If you want abundance, you can't vibrate at the frequency of lack. If you wish to love, you can't broadcast the energy of unworthiness. The quantum field can only deliver what matches your current vibration. Raise your frequency through gratitude. Feel appreciation for what you already have. Feel appreciation for what's already yours in the quantum field. This instantly elevates your energetic state and aligns you with higher possibilities. Live in the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Embody it now. Walk, talk, and breathe as the version of you who already has it. The field will respond by delivering experiences that match. Now it's time to bring your desire into form. First, crystallize your vision. See it clearly in your mind's eye. Make it vivid, detailed, real. Second, dissolve all doubt. Let certainty replace uncertainty. Faith is the bridge between the invisible and the visible. Third, take aligned action. When inspiration strikes, move. The universe will orchestrate synchronicities, but you must walk the golden path it illuminates. Watch for the signs. Repeating numbers. Meaningful coincidences. Unexpected opportunities. These are confirmations that you're in alignment. And finally, watch as energy becomes matter. As the invisible becomes visible. As your desire materializes in your three-dimensional reality. This is quantum manifestation in action. But what if something is blocking you? Old beliefs that say you're not worthy. Childhood programming that says you can't have what you want. Past trauma creates resistance. It's time to release these blocks. Watch them dissolve. Chains breaking. Walls crumbling. Dark energy transforming into light. Look in the mirror and see your true nature. You are divine. You are worthy. You are a powerful creator, deserving of every desire your heart holds. The quantum field is always listening and always responding. Always creating. And you are the conscious creator at the center of it all. Set your intention now. Feel it. Believe it. And watch as the universe conspires to make it your reality. You are the quantum manifester. Your time is now.